Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can sign up on Zendrop. But before that, let me tell you what is Zendrop. Zendrop is a dropshipping platform which was previously called Silk Road. It provides different e-commerce services to dropshippers. What Zendrop basically do is they find inexpensive things to sell in their e-commerce stores at profit. How Zendrop works. Zendrop works with Chinese suppliers and manufacturers directly. They help you find cheap products and quality goods. They also handle their packaging and delivery, and once the order has been placed, they are directly sent to the customers. It is both helpful for dropshippers and customers. Please check the link in the description to sign up. Now let's see how to sign up on Zendrop. Go to Google and search Zendrop. Then click on sign up. Here, give all your information. After doing that, click on create an account. Here, they will give you a deal at low price. You can choose it or you can simply decline the offer and go to dashboard. To decline the offer, click here. Here you can see we have successfully created our account on Zendrop, and this is how you can sign up on Zendrop. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.